So guys, welcome back to another video. Most important question of the subject name is biology and the chapter name is microbes in human welfare. So let's start the video, and here the question number first is which one of the following is not used in organic farming, and here the options: option A glomus, option B earthworm, option C oscillatoria, option D snail. And the correct answer is option D snail. Now move on question number second. Which of the following is the pair of biofertilizers? And here the options: option A azole and blue green algae, option B nostoc and legumini, option C rhizobium and grasses, and option D salmona and E. coli. And the correct answer is option A azolla and blue green algae. Now move on question number third. Some blue green algae can be used as biofertilizers as they are. And here the options: option A photosynthetic, option B surrounded by mucilage, option C growing everywhere, and option D capable of fixing nitrogen. And the correct answer is option D capable of fixing nitrogen. Now move on question number 4. Select the correct group of biocontrol agents. And here the options: option A Bacillus thuringiensis, tobacco mosaic virus, and aphids. Option B Trichoderma baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis. Option C oscillatoria, rhizobium, trichoderma. And option D nostoc, azospirillum, and nucleopolyhydrovirus. And the correct answer is option B trichoderma, baculovirus, and Bacillus thuringiensis. Now move on question number 5. Which of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in the treatment of plant disease? And here the options: option A trichoderma, option B chlorella, option C anabina, and option D lactobacillus. And the correct answer is option A trichoderma. Now move on question number 6. Mycorrhiza does not help the host plant in, and here the options: option A enhancing its phosphorus uptake capacity, option B increasing its tolerance to drought, option C enhancing its resistance to root pathogens, and option D increasing its resistance to insects. And the correct answer is option D increasing its resistance to insects. Now move on question number 7. In which cheese have whole pores, and this is obtained by? And here the options: option A Roquefort and Penicillium, option B pivot cheese and Mycobacterium, option C Camembert cheese and Lactobacillus, and option D Swiss cheese and Propionibacterium. And the correct answer is option D Swiss cheese and Propionibacterium. Now move on question number 8. Streptokinase is obtained by? And here the options: option A Streptococcus, option B Lactobacillus, option C Microbacterium, and option D Penicillium. And the correct answer is option A Streptococcus. Now move on question number 9. Name of cholesterol lowering agent and obtained from? And here the options: option A streptokinase and streptococcus, option B statin and monococcus purpureus, option C cyclosporine and trichoderma, and option D lipase and a bacteria. And the correct answer is option B statin and monococcus purpureus. Now move on question number 10. Name of immunosuppressive agent and obtained from? And here the options: option A streptokinase and streptococcus, option B statin and monococcus purpureus, option C cyclosporine trichoderma, and option D lipase and a bacteria. And the correct answer is option C cyclosporine and trichoderma. So guys, this is the video. Like, share, subscribe for more this type of content. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, जय हिंद.